Radhe Radhe. So in this video I'm going to discuss the all pairs segments problem which occurred in today's CODEFORCES challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will put both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. It's a mild request that if you can, please follow. Please subscribe my channel. Okay. So let's get into the video real quick. I'm not sure whether my brightness is good or not, but I'm just assuming that it's good. Okay. So if you look at the inputs, okay. So in the first input it was 2, 2, 101 and 200. Now what does it mean? After that there was a 2, 1. Okay, so this thing is the number of queries, that is these two queries, and this is the value of n. Okay, that is the arrays. Now what you can do is you can basically join points between any two lines. Okay, any 2 points. I mean you can make line segments by joining any 2 points in the whole array, and for all the pairs you have to join them. Okay, and you have to find out at every point, okay, for every specific point, how many line segments are overlapping on that point. Okay, so let's say if we are considering 101 and 200, so basically for all the points between 101 and 200 there is one line, and for the other points there is 0, right? Because there is no line segment in the other points. So basically if we are having 2 and 1, which tells us that we have to find out how many points are there for which there are 2 line segments passing. Okay, so over here we can see that there is no point for which 2 line segments pass, so basically it's going to be 0. And if you're going to consider the 1, so for all the points from 101 to 200, that is there are 100 points, right? So basically the answer is going to be 0 and 100. Now let's say if we want to check another example, so let's say if we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now in this case we are going to draw a line from 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and so on, then from 2 to 3, 2 to 5 and so on. Okay, so and we go on doing this through the whole thing. Now if we look at it minutely, so if we are going to consider how many line segments does this point 1 have. Okay, so for all the line segment that starts from 1, there is a point 1 in it, but any other line segments which doesn't start from 1 won't be there. So 1 will be present in 7 line segments, right? The point 1, the point 2 will be present in, if you check, it will be present in 9 line segments, and for the point 3, like you can go on doing this. Okay, now one thing that you can see, that for any points after this, from 8 afterwards or before 1, that is 0 and before, but I think for 0 and 1 there is no, for 0 there is no condition as such. So for anything after this there won't be any line segment, because all the line segments ended at most 7, not at, yeah. So okay, I hope you get it. So for all the values in between, so you have to find out how many are there. Okay, so basically for 7, so if you're going to consider 7, I think 1 will be not in 7 line segments though, because I was just considering that 7 thing, but it's basically not 7, it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because 4 is missing over here, right? So basically it's going to be 5. So for 5 you can see that 1 will be there and 7 will be there. Okay, 7 will be there for 5 also, and for 2, 4 and 6 it will be 9, and for 3, 5 it will be 11. So you can just draw the lines and check it out. So that's how you have to do it. Okay, and if you want the whole solution of the thing, whole video explanation as well as the code, you can follow the link that I will be pinning in the description. Just click on that and you can check it out. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.